Today I'm forging a sword, not with fire and steel, although that would be pretty cool, but with nomad sculpt and a little imagination. Whether you're designing a life-size prop for your next cosplay or a sword for your 32 millimeter rogue that you're designing, I'm going to show you how to do it. Today we're designing a sword that would make any dragon nervous, and I'm going to show you how to do it in Nomad Sculpt. All right, first things first, let's open up Nomad Sculpt. So we're going to open Nomad Sculpt and add a tube. Now we're going to stretch the tube out to about 30 of these units. Now you see here, there are the bigger units and then there are the small units with inside of it. It almost doesn't matter because Nomad Sculpt doesn't have a direct unit of measurement such as inches or millimeters. It's just units. And right now we're going to use the subunits. And we're going to stretch the tube out to about 30. Now, what that really represents is about roughly a 30-inch blade because we're using these as inch units. Now we're going to take the top of the tube and we're going to bring it to a point. And we're going to take the bottom and we're going to bring that in also to be the bottom of the blade. And if you think about it, structurally, we would probably want that to be 3, maybe 4 units wide. Now, obviously, it looks like a big spike right now. We're going to add another unit. We're going to click on the center line, and then we're going to draw the blade out to the width we want at the upper part of the blade. Now, you can do this anywhere, or you can make your blade have different shapes to it, but right now you can see it's just sort of like a giant spike. So what we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to change the profile of the blade. We're just going to come up top, and we're going to click on Profile. Once we open up the profile, we're going to be able to modify the profile of the blade. If we see here right now, it is set as a square. Now, what we're going to do is on each division, so we put 3 dots, we have our first, second, and third, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to move the dots in order to make a diamond shape. Now remember to keep them uniform, so keep them on the same grid pattern. That way your blade will be uniform throughout. Now you can see it changed only one part of the blade. We're going to just repeat the same step over and over until we get all 3 parts of the blade the same. And every sword needs a fuller because today we are digital dwarven blacksmiths. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Profile and we're going to click in between the 2 dots. And now you see it made another sort of V shape. But if you click that center dot and turn it from black to white, it will actually make a rounded shape. And now we have more of a traditional fuller that's on a sword. And we're just going to repeat this process over and over again.